iCepts Technologies would like to give you a demo of our IP telephony offering called Trixbox CE. Please see our website for more details. This phone system is part of a converged infrastructure, one which combines data, voice, and fax onto one network, your LAN infrastructure. The basic infrastructure includes desk phones, also called hard phones, soft phones, and a server on your LAN. The Trixbox server has connectivity to your telephone company. So outgoing calls, as we are looking at, originate at the phone, go through the LAN to the phone server, and then out the existing telephone lines, for example T1 or POTS lines, to the telephone company, who connects the call to the remote number. This basic setup doesn't use the internet connection at all. We'll see an alternative option for connectivity at the end of this demo. Here is a Polycom desktop phone, one of the IP phones which are supported. Trixbox also supports soft phones. This is software which runs on PCs and allows the PC to be used as a phone. This software can be run from remote, VPN-connected PCs or PCs on the LAN, without the need to have hard phones, enabling remote users to send and receive calls through the Trixbox system just as if they were in the office. Branch offices are supported as well through a VPN connection, allowing branch office phones to use the main office phone system. Small branch offices wouldn't need their own phone system or phone lines. Now let's look at some features. The user portal is a web-based feature which allows employees to get access to their voicemail, follow me setup, settings, and call monitor. It can be run from any PC on the LAN or remote PCs with VPN access. Follow me allows the user to configure alternate numbers which the phone system will connect to if their main extension is not answered. These numbers can be controlled by the user, allowing them to receive calls on cell phones, home phones, or others of their choice. As we can see, a call comes in from the phone company, and as the hard phone is not answered, the user's cell phone is automatically connected to the call, without the caller knowing that the call was redirected. Let's look at voicemail. Besides a voicemail indicator on the phone itself, an email notification can be configured to optionally include the voicemail as a WAV file attachment. This allows one to get instant access to voicemails through email. It also allows the voicemail attachments to be archived in email folders, allowing voicemail and email to be stored together. The user also has access to voicemail through the user portal. There are several folders which can be used to store different emails. Trixbox allows different paging groups, which contains all phones, a subset of phones, overhead paging systems, or some combination of these. Trixbox allows inbound faxing without the need for a fax machine. Inbound faxes are automatically attached as PDF documents and emailed to a predefined email address. The subject of the email includes the faxing sender. Here we see an example of the Trixbox Conference Bridge option. We are using a soft phone to demonstrate this, but the functionality works on any phone. This allows multiple conference bridges to be set up and the hosting of phone teleconferences without the need to pay for an outside service.
Thank you. The conference will begin when the leader arrives.
Trixbox supports caller ID. We can see this on an incoming call on this soft phone, or on those on a hard phone. Also, we can see the caller ID listed in the email notification of new voicemail, and listed on the voicemail page of the user portal. One of the options in the user portal is the FOP, which stands for Flash Operator Panel. This allows web-based access to view what extensions are in use and who has voicemail, in addition to allowing the transferring and placing of calls. Trixbox includes HUD Lite, which is a software package for PCs giving a management panel similar to FOP, but which also gives the ability to change the way extensions are listed, to sort extensions, to change a user's presence or availability information, to check users' voicemail, to send email, to chat, and to transfer calls to voicemail or cell phone. It also allows calls to be placed from the call entry box with drag and drop of phone numbers and directly from Outlook, in addition to other features. iCepts has integrated trixbox into the ERP packages we sell. Microsoft Dynamics NAV, in addition to Infor's fax and take stock applications. We can add click-to-call functionality so that employees can make one mouse click to call customers or vendors from these applications. We are demonstrating it here with a soft phone, but this feature works with hard phones as well.
Thank you for calling iCepts Technology Group. You may dial 0 for the iCepts operator, or for faster service.
Additional features include dial by name directory listing, the ability for users to record conversations, music on hold or other pre-recorded informational messages, call queuing with optional periodic estimated wait time and caller position announcements, and call conferencing with transferring directly to cell phones. As there are no licensing fees, and as the hardware used is industry standard, the cost of implementing this phone system is a fraction of the cost of a big-name voice-over-IP system, yet with some of the same or even better features. And because Trixbox CE and its base Asterisk are released as open-source software, the underlying source code is shared for ongoing modifications. There is worldwide development and support as they are sponsored by stable, for-profit corporations. Trixbox CE is the largest distribution of Asterisk, while Asterisk is being used by over 2 million users. Trixbox CE can be utilized with any number of phone extensions, from only a few to up to several hundred. Let's briefly look at the management of Trixbox CE. Most management functions are very easy and certainly within the capabilities of a computer-savvy person. Here we see how to add a phone extension. First, we have to enter the phone extension, the description, the SIP password, select the option for voicemail, and enter the password for that voicemail. Then we can scan the network for the particular MAC address of the phone that we are adding and select the extension that we just created. Reboot the phone, and that's it. A new phone extension and voicemail. Here's a sample of the call detail reporting that you can get. You can select date or time ranges, export the periods, compare periods of time, and look at the monthly or daily load. We have two separate methods of backup. A backup of the Trixbox configuration and voicemail, and a full bootable system backup. A backup notification email includes the details of these two backups, disk usage, log sizes, and disk mirroring status. Here we are looking at how to design an IVR, an interactive voice response menu. Just choose Recorded Announcement and select what the dialed numeric entry connects to. Finally, we'd like to point out that we can put in a prototype of this phone system using phones and a server that we loan you. When connected over your internet connection to an internet telephone service provider, you can try the Trixbox system without the need to interrupt your existing phone system. Alternatively, you could consider using an ITSP for all of your calls, potentially saving money over traditional T1s or analog lines. Thanks for watching. Please see our website for more information.